Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to turn off recurring investment on Acorns. If you don't have an Acorns account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $5 after making your first investment. However, if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options in the middle part of the screen. Click on the option that says Invest for your future. On this page, you will see an option for recurring investment. Click on Recurring Investment. On the bottom part of this page, you will see an option that says Stop Recurring. Click on the Stop Recurring option. A pop-up message will appear asking whether you are certain you wish to cancel the investment. If you're sure, click on the Turn Off button. Now a pop-up message will appear saying that you have successfully turned off your recurring investment. That's how you turn off recurring investment on Acorns. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.